the way I lost my trust in the healthcare system, even as a doctor. Now, I'll never forget the moment a patient's family member looked me in the eye and said, "I don't trust you. You are just part of the system." It was a gut punch. I went into medicine to help people, but over time, I have seen how the system makes it harder and harder to do that. Patients don't feel heard, doctors are burnt out, and instead of fixing the real problems, we often get band aid solutions like forced wellness programs and extra PTO days that don't actually address the root cause. I felt this most deeply when my mother was really sick. Despite knowing the system inside and out, I still had to fight to get her the care that she deserved. I had to use my title, not that of her daughter, but as a doctor, just to get people to listen. And that is when it hit me. If I had to do that, what about everyone else? What about the patients who don't have an advocate? This isn't just my story, unfortunately. It is happening everywhere. Doctors are setting boundaries in ways we never used to. They're working fewer hours. Many are leaving medicine altogether because the emotional toll is just too high. Meanwhile, our patients are frustrated and distrustful, and they demand care that sometimes is conflicting with the evidence based medicine. It has created a dangerous divide between the people who need care and the people who are trying to provide the care. And I'm worried that this is only going to get worse. So, where do we go from here? Well, humanity in healthcare isn't gone, in my opinion, but it is at risk. If we want real change, we have to start by rebuilding trust. Trust between doctors and patients, trust between healthcare professionals and the system itself. Let's talk about it. What is your experience? Have you ever felt unheard, either as a patient or as a provider? I hope you'll drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. And if you want to dive deeper, check out my full article in the SoMe Docs magazine, and I've linked that in the description. Let me know what you think.